Welcome to La Imperial.
Good morning again, Kern County, and welcome to another episode of Kern Living. Thank you all for such the warm welcome. I love family-owned businesses, and I'm here today with Maria. So, your owner, mom's owner, dad's owner, who's running this place, or is it everybody?
Yes, it's a family-owned business, and we all work together as a family.
And online, I see that you all have 3 locations. Where exactly are we today?
Today we're in Bakersfield. Yeah, we have 3 locations in Shafter, Wasco, and Bakersfield.
And I heard that one of the most famous things about this restaurant is the handmade tortillas.
Yes, our tortillas are made handmade here from all the girls, and they're made from scratch.
And that's something that's really special, because when you go to a Mexican restaurant, they get them from all these other places, but here it's made fresh. And you also brought out a ton of home-cooked meals. Which one of these are your favorites?
Everything's my favorite, but
Okay.
I love the chile verde, I love the quesadillas. I honestly love everything.
So which one would you say is a customer favorite?
Your handmade tacos, those are very popular, and then our quesadillas, because they're handmade.
Now, what kind of meat can everybody get in these?
On the quesadillas, they can do shredded beef, and then our handmade tacos, we have 13 choices of meat. Yeah.
13. They are not playing around.
Yeah, so a lot of choices of meat, asada, chicken, pastor, you name it, we can put it on a taco.
Okay, now we can't skip this plate over here, because this is the one that's closest to me and that I'm
Okay.
smelling. So what do we have here?
This is a costillas de puerco. That is a home-cooked meal. We try to make everything here at La Imperial fresh, and it's kind of like you're cooking, like at home for our customers.
That's good, so it doesn't sit out.
No, everything's fresh, made fresh to order.
Okay, and we got to talk about these drinks too. What do we have in front of us?
Okay, so we have our fresa, and we have our horchata, and then we have our jamaica, and then our pepino limon with chia seeds.
Man, I feel like everything here is made from scratch.
Everything
But
is.
that's how you know it's made from love and that it's really, really good. I can't wait to dig into all of this. What am I gonna try today?
Quesadillas. We're gonna try some
Okay.
handmade quesadillas.
So what's in this?
So that is a handmade tortilla,
Okay.
and it has cheese, onion, cilantro, and barbacoa, shredded beef.
Oh, dip it too.
Yeah, you dip it in there, yeah.
Oh yeah. Y'all did this. Oh my gosh. It's getting a little messy, but that's how you know it's good. Okay, this is 10 out of 10. What else are we trying? I'm excited now.
Okay, so our handmade tacos.
This is great. Your next Taco Tuesday has to be here. It has to. You guys do a great job.
Thank you.
This is really made with love. Now, I know if I'm watching this, I'm excited. I know you all are excited. Where exactly on social media can everybody follow you?
Okay, they can follow us at Imperial Taqueria on Instagram.
Okay.
They can follow us on TikTok, Facebook, and those are all the platforms.
Well, thank you all for watching. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at Kern Living and myself at Ryan Nelson 23. I'm gonna try to eat everything. And I'll see you guys next time.